Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram homepage. To know how to fix Instagram homepage, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps. Then in this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. Here there is. Then in this page, you will go to full stop. And you can then to enter here storage. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Instagram homepage. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.